Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss the term Epiphany. Introduction. The term Epiphany holds its origins in Christian theology, where it signified a manifestation of God's presence within the created world. Christian thinkers associated it with significant events, such as the manifestation of Jesus Christ to the Magi, celebrated as the Feast of Epiphany. However, in the literary realm, the term found new life through the work of James Joyce, who adapted it to describe a sudden sense of radiance and revelation experienced while perceiving an ordinary object. Joyce's concept of a secular epiphany involved a spiritual manifestation, revealing the essence or soul of an otherwise commonplace object, imbuing it with a sense of profound significance and brilliance. Epiphany's role in character development. In A Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man, Joyce's alter ego, Stephen Dedalus, experiences several epiphanies throughout the narrative. One notable example is when Stephen witnesses a young girl wading on the shore of the sea. This seemingly insignificant scene triggers a profound revelation for Stephen, altering his perception of the world around him. Joyce's use of epiphany allowed him to depict moments of heightened awareness and self-discovery in his characters, adding depth and complexity to their psychological development. Extension to modern literature. Following Joyce's innovation, the term epiphany became a standard concept in modern poetry and prose. Writers like William Wordsworth also explored the idea of moments or spots of time which bear similarities to Joyce's epiphanies. Wordsworth described these moments as sudden and transformative encounters with the ordinary world that awaken profound emotions and insights. For instance, in Wordsworth's poem The Solitary Reaper, the poet experiences an epiphany while observing a young girl reaping in the fields. The beauty of her song and its connection to the Scottish landscape trigger a moment of intense emotional response and spiritual realization for the speaker. Evolution of epiphany. The concept of epiphany has evolved from its religious roots to become a powerful literary tool in modern literature. James Joyce's exploration of secular epiphanies opened new avenues for writers to depict moments of profound revelation and illumination in ordinary experiences. This shift in literary focus marked a departure from conventional forms of writing and enabled a deeper understanding of the human psyche and its connection to the world. Conclusion. In conclusion, epiphany emerged from its religious connotation to become a prominent literary term representing moments of radiant revelation in secular experiences. James Joyce's use of epiphany in A Portrait of an Artist as a Young Man marked a significant development in modern literature, inspiring other writers to explore the profound and transformative aspects of ordinary encounters. The notion of epiphany allowed authors to elevate the commonplace to extraordinary, enriching their works with heightened emotion and introspection. As a result, this literary device remains a valuable tool for illuminating the human experience and exploring the deeper complexities of existence. So this was the discussion on the term epiphany. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comments section. We will meet in the next video with some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.